So my name is Ganesh Sapati. I'm currently based in South Africa. So it was around last year December that my mother went through a full body checkup, and after the full body checkup, doctor recommended a MRI scan and CT scan. And in those scans, the scan showed some liver lesions, and they said that these lesions might be metastatic, cancerous. So we got very worried, thinking about what kind of treatment should we go for: allopathy, chemo, and radiation. She had already been a cancer survivor. She had breast cancer, already recovered from breast cancer, and but she suffered a lot during her treatment, chemotherapy and radiation. So making her go through radiation and chemotherapy again, it didn't feel like a good decision. Luckily, by the grace of God, we found out about miracle drinks, and we actually met one of their in-house doctors. He recommended everything from diet plan to lifestyle choices to, and obviously the medicines and drinks. So he gave her concoctions for like 3 months, multiple, not just liver, also kidney and cardio as well. Combination of concoctions, and her personal diet plan, personal, what kind of lifestyle changes she needs to make to recover as soon as she can. After 2 weeks only, her results started improving, because every 2-3 weeks we used to go for blood test to see, if it's working or not. Her readings started reducing as well. Like for example, her gamma GT reading was in the 500 units, which is supposed to be below 50 units. From 500 it went to 200 in only 2 weeks. Then after 2 more weeks it went to 125. Then 2 more weeks it became normal, 50. And after 3 months, you could say she was completely cured. And the best part was that when she went for another CT scan and MRI, the lesions disappeared. The doctor in South Africa was astonished and shocked that in his 30 years of practice, he had never seen anything like this. That how can lesions disappear completely? And even he started asking what kind of medicine you were taking, what kind of diet you were doing. Yeah. And then we started recommending these medicine to more people in South Africa, because we are well connected with the Indian community in South Africa. And we started getting positive responses from them as well, from diabetes patients, kidney patients, everyone. We saw positive results. So we actually looked at this as an opportunity to expand medical drinks in South Africa, and we are currently doing so.
Oh, super. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.